Alright guys, welcome back. It's about 6:30 right now. Just got off work. So, actually I'm surprised there's lights in here still, but I figured it's going to be pitch black, but it's not too bad. But first 12-hour day of the week is done, and what I worked on today was wiring the rest of these lights. I think I was right about here on Friday, so I finished wiring in this light, making up all these junction boxes. One there, one over there. This one is, I don't even know, it's right around here somewhere, but, and then, so once I made up these lights, I ran the wire down the hallway for these lights, and then made up those boxes, and then I worked on this low voltage wire right here, which is for the occupancy sensors. So I ran that wire over to there, and then down to the end of the hallway. So there's 3 of them in this room. That one, first one, second one, and the end of the hallway, and then the third one's right here. And it's basically just made up right here. It's basically just, forgot the name of it. You can't really see it. It's on the side of the box. It's called a power pack, and it basically is just for the occupancy sensors. And so I just tied that in. And then from there, after the lights I worked on, what did I do? Honestly, can't even think right now. Well, the last thing I did, no, I guess that was the first 2 things, so that's why I was confused. So the lights, occupancy sensors, and then the rest of the day, I was working on the junction boxes in here. You can't really see it, but the boxes that I hung a long time ago, tying the lights in now for the switch legs. So here's a light, tying it into the junction box up there, just tying them together. So I did a bunch of those, that room, and then this room over here. And they already put a bunch of the ceiling tiles in, which is super annoying, so I keep having to take them out. I didn't take that one out, but there's a junction box right above this one right here that I did. As you can see, the wires going diagonally, but that doesn't matter because it's a whip, so I don't have to really strap it, but I just strap it to get it off of the ceiling or whatever, not for any code or anything like that. This one is missing it, and then I went ahead and did this one. This box is too far away for the second light over here, so I had to add a second junction box, and I put that on ceiling grid wire coming down from the ceiling, and then just tied those together, and then tied that first box to the second box, so it's basically junction box to a junction box. And then I tied the 2 lights in this room, and then tied these lights in over here. This junction box was too far away, so I just basically unscrewed it from the wall and then shot it to the ceiling right there. And then that one made it, so luckily I didn't have to do another junction box to junction box. There's a fan over there, so that was kind of noisy. And then this one made it right up in there for these 2 lights. And then this last room right here, this one was perfect, right on the ceiling, where I expected it to be several months ago. So yeah, that's all I worked on today. So anyways guys, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by. I'll have a couple more videos for you guys on Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm taking Thursdays off, and then I'm taking Friday off. So if you guys got any, I'm trying to get away from the fan real quick, so it's not so noisy. But if you guys got any, I'll just head down the hallway. But basically, if you guys got any video ideas for Thursday or Friday, let me know so I can make a video, either whether I'm talking about something something you have a question about, or if you want me to describe some tools or anything like that. If you're super old on the channel, then you know I used to talk about tools or just talk about random discussions, but usually right now I've just been doing stuff after work. So anyways, if you got a video idea, let me know, and I can do that on one of the days on Thursday or Friday, and then on Friday, or one of the days, probably Friday, but I'll do like a question and answer video, so make sure to drop a bunch of questions that you have, and then I'll just go through all of those on Thursday or Friday. So yeah, and then yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Thanks for the support, guys. You guys have been killing it. You got like 1,000 views the last 3 days, and I've only got like 1,000 views in a day like 5 times. So thanks so much for the support, guys. It means so much to me. And I didn't even make videos the last 2 days, and it's still 1,000 views a day. Usually it drops over the weekend, but it actually went up, which is crazy. So thanks for that, guys. And yeah, I think that's about it. Make sure to check the description for the social medias, and hopefully I'll see you guys there, and we can interact and all that good stuff. Got any questions or anything, drop them in the comment section below. And I think that's everything. I always forget something, but anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace out.